Friends called me a fake engineer. I bought their dinner. At a Japanese steakhouse, my wife's co-worker, CW1, and her husband, Arrogant Engineer 1, AE1, invited us for their daughter's birthday. Along with AE2, his wife, my CPA, and our kids, we were all paying for ourselves. AE1 and AE2 were competing to spend the most, while my CPA and I sat back, amused. Then AE2 heard my daughter order and sneered, "Careful, your dad's only an agricultural engineer. He doesn't make as much as us real engineers." For context, they're structural engineers with bachelor's degrees. I have a PhD in agricultural engineering, run my own consulting firm, and design sustainable gardens for governments and corporations. But they assumed I just dug in the dirt for free. Throughout dinner, they mocked my work with ridiculous questions like, "Can you grow onions and carrots together?" Their wives finally told them to stop, but my CPA, who also happens to be AE1's CPA, was dying laughing. Then AE1, full of himself, dared CPA to reveal his income. CPA